as you can see, we just did a cool unboxing of Badgeskins. Guys, they have really like awesome envelopes. They've been stepping it up, so I'm stoked. You probably saw one of the things coming out of the box, but we have new reflector deletes for the rear. All right, so one of the things I really wanted to do is change up the logos a little bit, or the R logos, make them stand out a little more. So, well, I'll show you guys what I mean. And just like that, as you guys can probably see, acid yellow. I want to make them stand out, so they will. They're gonna stand out, I'll tell you that. I don't think I'm gonna install every single one of these today, but guys, we have everything. Thank you to all of Badgeskins for this. This is awesome. We have the R logo for the brake calipers. I believe these are for front and rear badges. We also have our side markers as well. Our side markers, so this is gonna be really exciting. All right, so the first one we're gonna do with this rear R logo, and guys, I apologize for having the world's dirtiest Golf R for this video, but well, goes to show I drive it. Oh, I drive it. Each Badgeskin comes with its own little wipey. I recommend just giving it a nice wash prior to doing this, just because you get max adhesion and you don't end up scratching it, because I know probably wiping this immediately after it being just, well, you saw, absolutely filthy is not the best thing for it. But all right, that looks pretty dry and shiny to me. Shiny means clean, I think. So take our R logo right here in the infamous acid yellow or neon, I don't even know what we're gonna call it. We'll just, it's loud. Just like this car. All right, I am OCD, so if this is not on there perfectly, I'll be upset. And it's not a point of Badgeskins, they do all their measurements perfect. I, however, rush. Yep. That's money. That is money right there. Max adhesion. Guys, I haven't even taken off the backing and I'm in love with it right now. This is so cool. Oh, this looks so damn good. Sheesh. I won't be that guy. I won't do the sheesh, don't worry. Guys, oh my God. I went with the right color. And if you guys have any interesting colors or any specific colors you want to go with, they will help you out. Badgeskins is very custom. I ended up going with the custom color. I asked for this and they had it, so yeah. No, they have the best customer service and obviously the best colors, because that is nice. All right, so now I'm kind of tasked with the idea, do I remove the old one and then just stack the new one on top? But I think just for the concern of maybe losing adhesion, I'm gonna take off the old one. The issue is the old one's on there. Like, really on there, like glue. This thing, okay, bear in mind, if you guys always, like, if you're wondering what it's like to put a sticker on your brake caliper, like, this is a testament to how good these stickers are, because bear in mind, this has lasted much better than the actual R logo that was painted onto my brake caliper. No adhesion loss or anything, no bubbling, it's just perfect. And I put these brakes to the test. So let me tell you, these have been really good and they are still on there. It is a testament to the quality of Badgeskins, because it's high quality, I'll tell you that. But you guys can see, like, look at the state of my old R logo. This was painted on my caliper and the sticker didn't damage it at all. It's just a matter of heat and just not enough paint. So yeah, it just did not hold up very well, and that's why I wanted to do the Badgeskins in the first place. That's why I went with the blue. The issue with the blue is it clashed a little bit, and not that I really care, but it just didn't show up that well. So not that these really show up well at all, but this will. And I think on the black it's just gonna look insanely cool, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what it's gonna look like. It's obviously gonna stand out, there's no doubt in my mind. And I hope it looks good. I think on the black it will look good. I'm very optimistic. Yeah, just like that, peels right off, really easy off the backing. All right, we're gonna go for perfection here. It's gotta be square on there or I'm gonna have a canary. All right. I'd have to say that's on there. Yeah, it looks pretty square. All right, we're gonna go for max adhesion. Press that bad Larry on there. I don't have any rollers or anything, but I think the finger test will work plenty fine. Yep, oh, no. And almost, boom. Holy smokes. Oh, I mean, the lighting is so off. I really apologize. Maybe I can fix that. Oh man. Can you see that better? Sorta. Yeah, maybe, yeah. I'll bring it out into the light at some point, but oh my god, guys. That is way better. That is way better than what it was before. Holy smokes, I'm in love with it. I really, really like this color. All right, so first, I apologize. I'm recording on my phone. My camera died, and I gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Hopefully nothing crazy, but anyway. Guys, we have the Badgeskins on, and I'll show you what they look like in the light, because we found a proper spot. And I did the front, the side emblems, the brake calipers, and the rear logo. As you guys saw in the video, I did, I think, the rear and the brake calipers on the video, so it's kind of an idea as to what application is. It's really easy, yeah, so we'll show kind of what $90 worth of Badgeskins looks like on the car. I apologize for the background typewriter noise that these cars make, but check that out. It stands out so much too. If you go from far away, finally the R logo pops. And you know, I don't think everyone's gonna love it. I know that's gonna be the case, but you know what? I like it. You know, it's a nice touch for sure. And you know, there are Porsches out there with this color as the entire brake caliper. So what I did was I just did the logo, and they do full fronts in Badgeskins. So if you want like a, you know, to cover the whole thing in this color, you can probably do that. But I just wanted to go with the logo. And of course, as you guys can see, the application is so clean. It looks OEM like you wouldn't believe. Now, if we go up to here to our side emblem, the light is probably a little harsh on this color, but you get kind of an idea. This phone's doing a pretty okay job. And right onto the back, got our rear R logo. I really like it. I think it pops really nicely. And also, if you guys notice as well, we have our rear reflector deletes, and those came out really good. This time the application was perfect. And of course, both sides were treated with the same level of intensity and OCD, and of course what I went with is I went with a reflective honeycomb look. So if you guys want to get Badgeskins, great products. I've used them before. As you guys saw, they hold up extremely well. I've had every single one, except for the rear reflector delete. I removed that one, and the front amber in the headlight, I'll show you. I didn't end up going with that one again because I actually have paint protection film. You can kind of see it probably right here. It's thick film, so it threw off a little bit of the fitment, which is not Badgeskins' fault. That's actually just the fact of the PPF being super thick. Aside from that, if you don't have headlight paint protection film, or if your headlight paint protection film actually covers the entire lens, mine doesn't. But if you do that, you could probably do the delete here and get rid of that orange, because it looks good. It looks good when that's deleted. And they also offer a bunch of other things as well. Or you can also get rid of the chrome here. Also, if you guys are wondering, there's chrome here too. It doesn't really show up, especially far away, but this is chrome, so you can get rid of that. They offer packages for that, and you can black this out. They have a lot of options for the front Volkswagen badge. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this change on the R. I like it. It stands out. As you guys can see, that brake caliper just looks awesome, and that side marker looks cool too. And yeah, I'm stoked. So we got some cool things. I'm also going to change some things on the interior as well. Oh, if I didn't forget, I also have the world's smallest R logo thing right there. So that's also in neon yellow, because why not? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and expect some more tweaks and mods to the R. I definitely am focusing a little bit more on aesthetic if I can, but yeah, we'll see where it takes me, because I'm really enjoying modding this thing. You know, I think it looks really good now. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.